Hello and welcome to another quiz. This time it's a picture quiz. There's 3 seconds to answer each question. There'll be 10 questions. So without further ado, good luck and let's begin. Question 1. And the answer is a kingfisher. Question 2. It's a macaw. Question 3. Blue tit. Josephine's Lorikeet. Mallard. Red cardinal. Steller's sea eagle. Cotswold speckled hen. Golden-headed kitsel. Swan. Well, that's the end of the quiz. How did you get on? Leave a comment down below with your score. If you enjoyed the video, click like. Why not subscribe? Hit the bell to get daily notifications of the quizzes. So until the next time, thanks once again and goodbye for now.